everyone, I'm Anishka Sharma from Multimedia Animation and Graphic Design, batch of 2020 to 2023. It feels surreal to be back here to share a bit about my journey. You know, those 3 years, they truly passed in a blink of an eye. But what a ride it was, diving deep into the creativity, animation and colors. We started with absolute fundamentals, hand drawing, sketching. I remember spending timeless hours on our studio, perfecting perspectives, understanding anatomy, and just getting comfortable with pencil and paper. And honestly, those fundamental skills are still the bedrock of everything that I do today, no matter how digitally the final output is. I have to mention the workshop on linocut printing. That was messy, fun, and absolutely unforgettable. The session taught us traditional techniques in a modern context, and I still draw inspiration from them today. The design exhibitions were another memorable journey, working on projects, illustrations, and design principles. It was intense, but incredibly rewarding to see our hard work come to life. Looking back, these 3 years were so much more than just learning software or techniques. They were about developing a creative mindset. The faculty here didn't just teach, they mentored, pushed us, and helped us discover our own unique voice. All the dedication really paid off. Through college, I got an internship at Ugly Creatives in Delhi. That was really a turning point for me. Today, I work at Uran Hotels as a graphic designer, where I get to bring stories to life visually every single day. Thank you, Inspiria, for shaping my journey from a passionate student to a confident designer. It all begins here.